Let's begin with how to wrap a flat box. The paper height would be the height of the box plus thickness of the top and bottom. Fold the right edge of the paper slightly to create a clean edge. Turn the box face down. Align the right edge of the paper with the center of the box. Crease in the right corner to secure the box. Mark the overlap area about 1 inch. Cut off excess paper. Face down the paper. Place back the box face down, with the right edge of the paper aligned with the center of the box. Fold the right corner and wrap the paper tightly. Apply double-sided tape to the center of the back of the right edge. Then close it tightly. Make sure the box is centered. Close the box from the bottom first. Fold the side inwards. Make sure fold each corner all the way in. Do the same on the other side. Fold down on the top tab. Fold up the bottom tab. Mark at the center where the lines intersect. Fold it inwards along the mark. Apply double-sided tape to close the bottom. If you stand it up, it will be easier to close the top. Fold each corner all the way in, just like the bottom. Close with double-sided tape to complete. Sharpen all corners for nicer look. Let's show an easier way for thin book. The height of the paper will be added the thickness plus 2 inches at the top and bottom. Fold the right side slightly and continue wrapping same as a flat box. Make sure fold each corner all the way in. Fold down on the top tab. Cut off the top tab along the bottom corner line here. Fold up on the bottom tab and crease the top corner. Fold back the bottom tab about half an inch. Apply double-sided tape, then close it over the corner tightly. Make all corners sharp and neat. Close the other side in the same way. The wrapped book is complete.